Okay, Ollie, where's the kitties? Where's the kitties? Yeah? Those are the kitties? Where's the bunnies? Where's the bunnies? You find the bunnies? Where's the bunnies? Good job. Open it. Yay! Yeah, open it up. Bunnies! Yay! Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Yeah, the horse is in there. Open it up. Open it up. See the horse? Get the horse. I'll get it. There's the horse. Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? 2 puppies. 2 puppies. Yeah, they're in there. No, not there. Look, puppies, right here. Okay, where's the frogs? Frogs. Where's the frogs? Good girl. Good job. You're so smart. The frogs are in there. Get the frogs. Yep. Open it up. Okay, where's the fish? Fish. One more. Where's the fish? No, that's frogs. Yeah, frogs. Where's the fish? Fish. Fish. We just learned fish this morning. Yay! Good girl.